Hi guys, my name is Rena Cookie and I'm going to be teaching you how to do a beginner's death drop. The death drop is typically known by drag queens or dancers. So here's a small tutorial on how to get started. This took me like a week just to get this down. So I'm going to show you what I got so far. So let's get to it. Alright, so you can only see half of my body because that's all my computer can take. But basically, the pose is going to look like this. That's how I'm going to try and get it to look, though. So, in order to do this, you need some good old socks. I prefer the fuzzy ones, they have more traction. And I usually do these on this tile floors. So, this is the leg I'm going to be landing on, which is going to be like that. So, I slide forward like that. That's the first part. Now, it's usually better if you have padding because you're not afraid of getting hurt. But I don't got that. I don't got the money. So, for the next part, I do a little twist. So, start like this. And then, like that. And that's about it. So, I'll probably include a compilation of some of the best death drops I've seen, but that's it for today. See y'all next time.
Stroll down the runway, another payday, cover of magazines. And when they see